Yes, yeah, we're here. And I think we are going to do brilliant things. Yeah.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Pauline. Our next question will be coming from Ramon Nocon of Insider PH.
Ramon.
There you are. Go ahead, Ramon.
I'm just wondering, what has been keeping you busy during your lull, during the pandemic and this past few years, months?
Oh, what did I do
Yeah.
during the pandemic?
Yeah, to while your time, for example.
Naghuhugas ako ng plato, and naglalaba ako, and no joke, ako naglilinis ng ng mga sahig, and sarap pala, yung very cathartic to clean the floor. And to this day, iba na ang gumagawa. And pag tinitignan ko, sabi, mas magaling ako maglinis ng floor kaysa sa inyo. So, nag-practice ako sa pandemic. It was a nice time, aside from the sorrow and the danger to some people. I think it was a nice time because it forced you to reflect on the essential things in life. From the smallest to the biggest.
Okay. Next question from Evelyn Dial. Where's Evelyn?
Yeah, here.
You door. Okay. Evelyn's over there.
Yeah. Good afternoon po,
Hi,
sir.
Evelyn.
Good afternoon. Welcome to TV5. Sir, my question is, looking at the partnership, at this partnership that you just have, what does it tell where Filipino media and talents are headed in the next few years?
Saan sila pupunta?
Opo.
I-
Filipino media and of course the Filipino talents.
In a way, mahirap sagutin yun. Because what's happening to media and the industry, I don't think anybody can foretell. Marami nangyayari, a lot of happenings besides the mainstream TV and radio. Now you have social media, dami, and social media it provides access to even one person at home to contact people all over the world. But what I can say is people will always need content. Yeah, they will demand content, drama, comedy, whatever. Yeah, I think there will always be a room for that, and I don't think some people say that TV is a sunset industry, but I think it will be a long sunset. Yeah, it's still going to be there in the following years, and we hope to create stars, as I said, and that will fuel the content making factory, the dream factory.
Thank you, sir.
Next question will come from Mel Navarro, PNBC. Mel.
Hello po, welcome to TV5
Hi,
Media Quest. Tanong ko lang po, ano po sa palagay nyo in personal realizations or reflections po sa pag-build up at pag-discover ng some of the biggest stars in our industry like Piolo, Jericho, Claudine? Ano po yung fulfillment? Ano po yung inyong personal na nararamdaman?
Pag nakikita ko sila ngayon, sa Piolo, Claudine, yung mga, tawag ko doon mga barkada ko naman din. I think in the early years of ABS, we were like, tawag nila sa akin, coach. Basketball kami, kung ano ginagawa namin, parang barkada.
Tropa.
And, tropa.